How to buy Flashbot token. So this token came under the symbol of Flash. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 300% in less than 4 hours. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in safe places. Token trending number 2 in the Solana section right now. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy here to token address, open your fund wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in wallet. Now click here and paste the token. And as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, after that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. I make sure to read all that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, as you can see here, and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Flash token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.